Segmentation and personalization are key strategies to increase open rates and engagement with your email marketing campaigns. By delivering personalized and relevant content to your audience, you can significantly improve open rates and conversion rates. In this tutorial, we will explore some effective methods to increase open rates through personalized content, with a focus on personalization and dynamic content. One of the first things your subscribers see is the subject line of your email. By personalizing the subject line, you can grab their attention and increase the chances of your email being opened. Use merge tags to include the recipient's name or other relevant details in the subject line. For example, John, check out our exclusive offer just for you. Dynamic content allows you to deliver customized content to different segments of your audience. Instead of sending a one-size-fits-all email, customize the content based on the recipient's preferences, previous interactions, or demographics. Dynamic content can include personalized product recommendations, location-based offers, or tailored messaging based on past purchases. Leverage the recipient's behavior and engagement data to personalize your content. Analyze their past interactions, such as click-through rates, purchases, or website browsing behavior, and tailor your emails accordingly. For example, if a subscriber frequently clicks on a specific category of products, send them personalized emails featuring similar products or offers. Triggered emails are automated emails that are sent based on specific actions or events, such as a subscriber's birthday, abandoned carts, or anniversary of their subscription. By setting up triggered emails with personalized content, you can engage your audience at the right moment and increase open rates. Timing plays a crucial role in getting your emails open. Use data and analytics to determine the ideal time to send your emails for different segments of your audience. Experiment with different send times and analyze the open rates to identify the optimal timing. A/B testing allows you to experiment with different variations of your emails to identify what resonates best with your audience. Test different subject lines, email designs, or content variations to find the most effective combinations. A/B testing helps you optimize your emails for higher open rates and engagement. Personalization shouldn't be limited to just the email body. Customize the email sender name to make it more friendly and recognizable, such as using a personal name instead of a generic company name. Additionally, personalize the email preview text to provide a glimpse of the content and entice the recipient to open the email. Regularly clean and update your subscriber list to ensure that your emails are reaching active and engaged subscribers. Remove inactive or unresponsive subscribers to improve the overall engagement rates. A smaller but more engaged subscriber list will have higher open rates and better results. Track and analyze the performance of your email campaigns regularly. Monitor open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to identify areas for improvement. Use the insights gained from the analysis to optimize your emails and further personalize the content for better results. By implementing these methods and incorporating personalization and dynamic content into your email marketing strategy, you can significantly increase open rates, engagement, and ultimately, the success of your campaigns.